welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is obviously going to be on this mermaid themed look for Halloween. I did use all products from Sally Beauty for this video. So this is going to be a pretty affordable and simple look. I feel like I tried to make it like as easy as possible for you guys. I just know that like I don't really enjoy seeing like these like Halloween videos that you have to like, you know, get all this like SFX stuff and all this crazy stuff. I do see these products as being affordable and something that you can easily obtain to do this look. I feel like I wanted to do something that is not hard for somebody who maybe wants to do this on their child. Maybe their child wants to be a mermaid for Halloween. Just for adults that, you know, maybe you're not that talented or don't have that much time and you have Halloween parties that you want to get to and yada yada yada. I feel like this is a really simple look. I didn't really do anything over the top for like an outfit or anything, but you have to excuse, I have stress hives. Like I just feel like this is really simple and easy, and like I feel like it, you know, it looks good. Like you can obviously tell, like I don't know, I feel like you can tell I'm a freaking mermaid. So I'm just gonna throw this out there. Like Halloween has never been like my favorite, you know, my favorite thing. Like when I was little, I loved it, but like, and it was really fun. But you know, as I'm older, I'm like, I don't have time for that. I don't have money to get stuff like that. Like I just don't, you know, and I don't go out. I genuinely, I don't go out, and I don't generally do stuff like this. So, yeah, last year I did my Pennywise video, which I loved that look. Like I thought it was so fun, and it was the first time I did like a Halloween anything in years since I've been an adult. So yeah, and it was fun. I enjoyed it. So, and I did enjoy doing this video as well. And I feel like this is like a super achievable look. This is so simple. Like it really was not a lot of effort and work. So if you want something simple, I feel like you should just follow this video and yeah, and you customize it however you want. So yeah, and I feel like mermaids were like totally in last year, but I feel like they're still here. Like they're still a thing, like big time. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and keep watching. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my makeup first. My hair is gonna be totally different. This is just, yeah, just what I got to deal with right now. So I did already apply some foundation, and I did brush on my eyebrows a little bit. For my foundation, I used the Femme Couture Rose All Day foundation, and then this is the Ardell. I actually have that right in front of me. My foundation's in the other room. But the Ardell Fiber Building Brow Gel, like, yeah. So for the bright fun colors that I'm going to be putting on my face, I'm going to be using the Island Vibes Palladio palette, and I'm going to be using like probably these 3 shades and then this pink one over here probably. I don't know yet, but definitely those 3 shades. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to be using to get the like mermaid look on the sides of your faces here. So I have the Deluxe Weaving Net from Donna, and this is only like a couple bucks you can get. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm basically gonna be putting this like around my face, and then I'm just gonna like clip it back. All right. Oh my God, like suction to my face now, and I'm just gonna, now that I got those where I need them, like make sure that you can still freaking see. Obviously this is why I didn't do my freaking like eye makeup first. I'm gonna take a little bit fluffier of a brush, and I'm actually gonna go in, I'm gonna start with that purple shade over there on the end, and I'm just gonna load my brush up with that. And I'm just gonna start brushing right over here on the corner of my face. And we'll do some like right up here on my cheek. Just gonna be some pretty like random areas. And then I'm gonna take the blue shade and I'm gonna go right next to that color, and we're just gonna kind of blend the two together. I'm gonna take it down right here. And then I'm gonna take the green shade and I'm gonna throw some of that in there as well. All right, so then I'm gonna go ahead and take off this net, and then you guys can see kind of how it looks through it. So I'll go ahead and zoom in on that for you guys. Look at that. See how it looks like scales? Oh my gosh, my foundation on my nose got a little, woo. God, I kind of want to add a little more right here. I'll just hold it up there. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a nice little look on my eyes as well. And I'm gonna be using that same palette. And I'm gonna start with that pretty purple shade. Alright, once you got that, then I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush and I'm gonna take that blue shade. And then I'm going to take that green shade and I'm going to pack that all over on the lid. Alright, and I'm just going to smudge a little bit of that purple shade underneath down below. Now we're going to play around with a little bit of glitter, and I'm going to be using these 3 Bitsy shades that they have, and I'm going to apply those with the Bitsy glitter glue. Palladio eyeliner to my lids. Okay, we're just gonna make a wing with it. This liquid liner is in the shade Lavender, by the way. Now I'm gonna take this purple Palladio eyeliner in the shade Exotic Plum, and I'm gonna apply that to my lower lash line and my waterline. Now I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara, and I'm gonna be using the Collab mascara. This is the, ooh, which one is this? The Works. And obviously no look is complete without some lashes, so I'm going to apply some of these Ardell Wispies, and I'm going to be applying that with this Duo Lash Glue. We got those lashes on. I am just going to apply a little bit of mascara to them just to add a little bit of a oomph to them. Just because I want to. So now that I have those on, I'm going to apply more glitter to my face because I just feel like it needs a little bit more bam. And I'm going to take a little more of that glue and put it on top of the purple. And we're just going to put on some of that. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that pretty much like everywhere where I have like a little bit of purple. Right, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the blue glitter. And I don't want to like be like too much because I still want to be able to see like, you know, where the scales are and stuff, because you want to be able to still tell. Alright, and then I just want to do a little dab of the green. So I obviously want to still go in with some highlight, so I'm going to be using the Palladio I'm Glowing highlighting palette. I'm going to take this white shade here in the middle. I guess it's not really white, it's kind of like a gold or something. And I'm just going to add some of that into some areas around where those scales are. And I want to put a little dab of that on my nose. And I want to pack some of that into the corners of my eyes. Alright, and then I'm also going to go in with this lip color. This is from the Mod Metal collection with Femme Couture at Sally Beauty. I believe this is the shade Celestial. Yeah, Celestial. It is so pretty because it's like, it's purple, but it also has those shades, like the blues and greens that like change in it. So it's so pretty. So now let's go ahead and move on to hair. Okay, so I went ahead and clipped in my hair extensions. I did previously color these with Arctic Fox hair dye, which I have a video for that on my Instagram. So basically my hair was dark beforehand, and then I also, it was like probably like a level 5 or 6 brown. And then the ends of these, so my extensions were colored brown on top and then they were blonde at the bottom. So they were ombre, and then I actually just took purple Arctic Fox hair dye. I took the 2 shades, Purple Rain and, God, what was the other one? Violet Dream. I mixed those 2 together and then dumped them on my head, and this is the result I got, which I'm really happy with because I did want like the purple shades for my hair for this video. So yeah, and the ends are like really nice and pretty. But I also have a couple other things like I want to add to this. So I don't want it just to be just this purple. Like I want some fun shades in there as well, but I don't want to permanently stick with them. So I am going to put in the shades of these. These are spray-in temporary dyes that you can put in your hair and they will wash out the next time that you shampoo. So I did go ahead and I actually curled my hair before coming on the camera. And what I used for that was a 1-inch GVP curling wand. That's this guy right here. It's an awesome curling wand. I love this guy. This is the titanium one. So I used that, and then I also used this hairspray. This is called Final Take from Beyond the Zone. And this is what I use to curl my hair and hold it. So yeah, I love this hairspray. It smells really good and yada yada yada. So, and I'll also be using this to spray on top of the colors just to give them a little longer lasting hold, and then they won't transfer as much either. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up these bad boys. I haven't even opened them yet. Oh, I just broke my nail. The first shade that I'm going to use, so I have 3 shades. I have Zoner Green, Untamed Turquoise, and Airhead Pink. The first shade I'm going to use is this pink shade because I already do have purple in my hair. And I'm just going to take random sections of my hair and honestly just spray it in throughout and just get random pieces like in strands. I have pink on my hand. Yeah, I'm going to take the green shade and I'm just going to go through random pieces as well with the green to just add tints of. Okay, now I have some hints of that in there. I'm going to add some tints of the turquoise. I'm going to spray this kind of like through here on my roots to kind of make a little pink tint there. You see little hints of like the pink and the blue and the green. And for a last little touch, I'm going to take some of the glitter here and I'm going to sprinkle it along my hairline here. And I'm going to take some of that Final Take hairspray and spray that right in there so that it doesn't move. We're just going to sprinkle some of that glitter all over in my hair. This is going to be messy, but I don't even care. Alright you guys, and then my last and little final touch that I did for this video is these nails. I just added them really quick. I did get these at Sally's. These are the China Glaze Shades of Paradise nails, and they were like this little mermaid like look on them, and I am literally obsessed with them. If my camera would focus, there we go. Literally, look at those bad boys. They are so pretty. And they hold so well. I got these and they like literally just stuck right on and they just fit so nicely. Like they are gorgeous. I'm obsessed. They're beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, like I said, Halloween like videos are not like my favorite because I liked it as a child, but I also like Halloween has never been like my favorite thing, but I really enjoyed doing this video. So if you guys want to see more Halloween videos, let me know because I will do them if you guys ask for them. So yeah, I really enjoyed my Pennywise one from last year. That one was so fun. I have another one that I have in mind that I think I might want to do, so I'll still think about it. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.